seagulls are enjoying it. Yeah, the seagulls love it, look.
Okay, 30 seconds, ladies and gents.
Rev it! Rev the engine!
You haven't seen the show yet. There's plenty of room down this long side here.
Hello. 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 We're famous! Oh my god, I've never been so excited about that. Who's up there? Can you not kill yourself? Are you recording? I will. I am. I'm recording. Can't
Just
wait
having a
for
women's
this.
meeting back there. I'll give you the signal when they are ready.
Had loads. What's the time?
I'll also be commentating on the golf
Yeah, what's the
today,
time?
behind me, ladies and gentlemen. I've got two jobs
Oh,
at once.
then
It's
I'll
the best way to
wait.
make money
They should be here in a minute.
when you're poor as me. Got a young man just hacking away at the ball there, trying to get it into the pot. We're all going to give him a cheer when he gets it in. He's getting closer and closer. Come on, you can do it. Oh, it's so close. And he's got it in. Give him a round of applause.
Yeah!
Well done, sir.
Prove it!
He's smiling. Okay. We are going to crack on with the show, ladies and gentlemen.
Let's
we have
do
two amazing trials riders for you
That's
today.
me. I'm
Trials
one of them.
biking is all about precision and accuracy.
That's nice
so
to know.
in trials, what they'll do is they'll go over courses that are very bouldery, rocky, got streams in, logs, all sorts of obstacles. And it's about not stopping, not putting your foot down, and that's how you kind of gain points, and the highest point loses.
Okay.
So, that's two amazing riders from that world. They both ride in the European and British Championships at the moment, and they have ridden the World Championships.
Nice.
That is their day job, and they come and do this for kind of a bit of fun, bit of relaxation at the weekend. But we hope it's not going to be relaxing. Well, we're going to see some thrills and spills, and that is what we're going to be doing today. So first, they are young. They're sensitive little sausages, so they need to feel welcome, ladies and gents. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get you to give them a huge, big, great Yarmouth cheer before they come out, and they can feel like they're safe and welcome. So I'm going to count to three, and I want the absolute biggest cheer you can muster.
Oh, yeah.
We've had some great crowds this weekend. I'm thinking this one's going to be the best. It's a beautiful weather day. Here we go.
Let's do
Cheer
it.
after three. 1, 2, 3. Aye, that was pretty good, but
Exactly.
I was very impressed with this end.
Yep.
They're putting you guys to shame, I'm afraid. Now come on this end. There's a lot of you down there. We're going to go again after three. This is going to be everyone together. We're working as a team, people. 1, 2, 3. That is more like it. That is fantastic.
Yay.
Okay, our first ride we have for you today. As I said, an absolutely amazingly talented rider in the trials world, very
Look at
well
this
respected.
dude.
Please put your hands together for Mr. Bradley Bullock, ladies and gentlemen.
Yay! Hi, Mum.
There he goes.
Hi, Mum.
Look at him wheelie all the way down the length of the crowd there. Just watch your fingers. It has been nice to take a few off.
Woohoo!
Bradley Bullock flying down the side of the arena there.
How?
As I said, riding in the world and European and British Championships at the moment. Extremely talented rider. Body like Baywatch, face like Crime Watch. Lock up your daughters. He's on the prowl. One more time, hands together for Bradley Bullock, ladies and gents. Now, you will notice an uncanny and striking, sounds like a cereal, striking resemblance between our two riders today, and there's good reason for that. It's not that we've cheaped out and we're using mirrors. We do have twin riders today, ladies and gentlemen. So please put your hands together for another fantastic rider from the world of trials. It's Mr. Dick Bullock, ladies and gentlemen! There you go, ladies and gents. We have a pair of Bullocks for you today. Careful how you say that. It's a family show. Dick is a wonderful rider, highly skilled in the art of the wheelie and what I like to call the opposite wheelie, which is the way on the front. Giving a little bunny hop in the centre of the arena there. Do give him a wave if he goes past. He loves performing to crowds. He likes being watched. He's a bit of an exhibitionist.
Those skins.
So let's hear it one more time for both our riders today. Brad and Dec Bullock, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Let us crack on with the show. As you can see, we've got various obstacles around the arena, and we've got this big truck as well. So we're going to start on the truck today. As you can see, in the back of the truck, there's some steps, huge steps cut into the back of the truck. So what the boys are going to try and do is kind of smoothly ride up these steps, make it to the top of the truck, stop, you guys a little wave, and that'll be our first kind of trick of the day. Nice, smooth, accurate riding, ladies and gents. That's what we're looking for. Now, if you can't see them and they don't make it, this is the poplar. They set themselves on fire as well and do acrobatics. Alright, so it looks like Brad's lined himself up first. So he's going to come up the steps, nice and smoothly, onto the truck, and of course Dec is as well, and then we'll move down onto the obstacles. So here we go, let's have this one. Let's be having you, Bradley, come on, you can do it. He's lined himself up, his face is full of focus, but just completely blank, I can't tell the difference. He's up. Oh! Oh, he's crashed straight into the step, ladies and gents. He's, I think he might have hurt his gentleman's area there. Are you alright, mate? I won't tell you what he said there, it's a bit rude. Now, that was pretty poor, ladies and gentlemen. So I think we're going to have to give him a boo. Can we have a boo after 3? 1, 2, 3?
No!
Boo! Boo to you! Awful. Right, let's see if Dec can improve on that display. Come on, Dec. Up on these steps. These people need to see you. These people down in this corner, they want to see you up here. He's not. He's on. Oh, he's not quite ready. He's just hanging there. Oh, get off! Hey, stop it! Oh, I'm on the edge here. Stop! Stop laughing. I can hear you. It's not funny. Stop laughing! It's got to pantomime. Get up there. Go on. Thrust it up there. He's up and he's off. Don't clap that. Stop it, don't clap, that was rubbish. Right, come on boys, you're better than this. Up these steps nice and smoothly. You can do it, come on.
Come on.
Here we go, should be up here quick this time. He's had a practice. He's up on one, he's up on the next. Just keep it out of his way. Come on, Dec to follow.
Yoink.
He's up. He's up and he's on. You can clap that one. Now, lads. Come on now. I think that's advanced you a little bit.
Come on. Dave.
Shocking display there. Can we do anything to improve? You gonna do the lot? I doubt it, boys. You can clear the lot. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what he's going to try and do is going to attempt to go up this ramp, clear both steps, up onto the top of the truck. Now, if he does misjudge the power, and they come flying over towards you guys, just put a child in front of you, and use them as a human shield, okay? They're much bouncier than us adults. Okay, who's going first? You're going first. Brad's going first. There we go. I'm just going to really get out of the way on this one, because I do not believe that he can make it after that shocking display. The tension builds. A hushed quiet comes over the arena. He's all the way up, ladies and gentlemen.
Nice.
Fantastic.
Yay!
And now Dec to follow. He's all the way up and on, ladies. Give him a huge round of applause. Okay. Now we're going to move into the obstacles of the arena, ladies and gentlemen. And as you can see, stop showing off for the cameras. As you can see, down this end of the arena, we have these
I'm going to end it there.